In this section, we're going to learn about the Medicare supplements and how they fill in the gaps of original Medicare. So basically, Medicare supplements fill in the pieces that Medicare doesn't cover. Again, sold by private insurance companies. In Wisconsin here, we have different plans than the rest of the country in that we have a base plan with a number of riders that you can add. And you can basically construct a plan that will cover most everything, almost all of your out-of-pocket expenses. You'll probably never see a bill. The benefits can vary by plan, so again, you want to make sure that in your situation that everything is covered. Eligibility, again, you must be enrolled in Parts A and B. You must be a resident of the state in which you apply for coverage. You have to be age 65 or under 65 if you have a qualifying disability. So generally, Medicare supplement helps with some of the out-of-pocket costs not paid by original Medicare, which we talked about. Premiums will vary based on the plan and the carrier. So it pays to shop around, and most of these plans are driven by zip code. So one company might be great in one zip code and not in another. So it does pay to shop around. Enrollment, generally the best time to enroll is during the 6-month open enrollment period following your 65th birthday or Part B effective date. Many people put off going on Medicare because they're still working and in a group plan through work. So you can put off your Part B effective date and join at a later time. There may be other situations in which your acceptance may be guaranteed. So if you have one of those special situations, please give us a call or shoot us an email. So the plan choices are basically original Medicare, Part A and B. You can go with just that and pay the out-of-pocket costs. Option 1 would be going with a Medicare supplement plan, which would cover pretty much everything out of pocket, but then you'd have to also pick up a Part D prescription drug plan to go with that because drugs are not covered. Or your option 2 would be to go with Part C, which is the Medicare Advantage program, which incorporates everything. So it would cover all your hospital doctor needs, and then also many of the plans, not all, also incorporate a prescription drug plan. So here we've learned about Medicare supplements and how they fill in the gaps in original Medicare.